Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sander for furniture that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Black & Decker Orbital Sander. With speeds of up to 12,000 OPM, orbits per minute, the Black & Decker Random Orbital Sander provides great, swirl-free results in no time. According to one happy customer, it took mere minutes to strip the finish off a table. This tool's other great features are the dust collection system that cuts down cleanup time, its lightweight and compact design, its grip handle, and its super economical price. One of the more than 8,000 positive reviewers, a hobbyist who refurbishes and upcycles old wood furniture, wrote of this little Black & Decker sander, "This does the job with ease. Placing the sandpaper on as a snap and the dust filter does an excellent job minimizing mess and sawdust in the air." Another customer helpfully recommended purchasing a box of hook and loop sanding discs in assorted grits for these orbital sanders for more sanding variety. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bosch ROS20VSC Palm Sander. Hand sanders can create a smooth finish on furniture restoration projects, and the variable speed Bosch Palm Sander is one such sander that comes highly recommended. This Amazon's Choice hand sander has a pad dampening system for low vibration and a microcellular backing pad which is perfect for fine sanding tasks. Thanks to its variable speed control, getting professional grade results is a breeze even for beginners. Impressively lightweight at only 3.5 pounds, this finishing sander also features a soft contoured rubberized palm grip for added comfort and a hook and loop disc attachment system. One customer who uses this palm sander for several furniture refinishing projects explained, "It is easy to use, comfortable in my hand, and doesn't shake my arm to the point that I feel fatigued after I use it on large items." Another happy buyer wrote, "This is the best orbit sander you can buy at this price. We have refinished some special family furniture pieces and this sander worked like a dream. Beautiful design, easy to hold, easy to clean, and it is a workhorse." At number 3, we have the Makita Bo5030K5 inches Random Orbit Sander. A good random orbital sander should be easy to control and able to cover large areas efficiently. If you're after these qualities in your finishing sander, Makita has come through with this random orbit sander with a ball bearing construction. With its rubber grip, sandpaper pad control system, and low vibration, this 12,000 OPM finishing sander is, according to one customer, comfortable to handle and easy to control. And with a random orbital diameter of 1/8 inch, you can cover large areas efficiently. This buy also comes with a hard case to house the sander, keeping it safe when not in use and making it easy to store and transport. "I unpacked the sander, slapped on a disc, and put it to hard service," wrote one happy purchaser. "It is easy to use, feels solid in the hand, and is a workhorse. The carrying case is a nice bonus." Another customer described it as the best sander they've ever used, and added that it's very user-friendly, fairly light, easy to attach, remove sandpaper, and it comes with this awesome storage case to help protect it and keep it clean. At number 2, we have the SKIL Corded Detail Sander. Sawdust from sanding can not only be difficult to clean up, but it also gets in the way, impedes visibility while working, exacerbates allergies, and poses a health risk. A sander with a dust collection system, like the Amazon's Choice SKIL Detail Sander, can eliminate these issues. With its microfiltration system and dust port, this tool collects what one customer reported as about 85 to 90% of dust particles. Another customer, who wasn't impressed with the dust catchers on similar products in the past, added that this dust collector works well and is easy to empty. The tool's on and off switch is also conveniently sealed, keeping it safe from dust to further prevent interference during use. Replacement sandpaper pads are quite hard to find for this tool because of its unique design. but one reviewer recommended specifically searching for detail sander pads with 11 holes. Alternatively, you can take the sander to the hardware store to find sanding pads with the perfect fit. And finally at number 1, we have the Ingersoll Rand 315G Straight Line Air Sander. To take on those large, heavy-duty projects with a quality air sander, check out the Ingersoll Rand Straight Line Air Sander. One customer described the tool as a very nice sander, powerful and doesn't bleed off air like others. And with a 15-inch sandpaper pad size, you can complete even your largest projects with efficiency. Thanks to the twin piston design and the sander's strong paper clamps, you won't have to deal with the tool stalling or the paper slipping. One impressed customer wrote that, after having many problems with belt sanders in the past, they purchased the sander tool because they needed a sander they could rely on. This particular IR brand SLS worked flawlessly in sanding narrow pieces and keeping them flat, they wrote. It's smooth and quiet in operation and is aggressive in removing material. Another user commented that they use a small 27-gallon compressor with it, and added, "This thing runs smooth. Best I've had yet." Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.